Whenever you purchase a new mechanical clock, the hammers inside will come misaligned to some degree. This means that once the clock begins to chime, it could sound very odd. If the hammers are misaligned seriously enough, you may not hear it chime at all. In this video, we will walk you through the process of aligning your clock's hammers to get the best chime possible. This should only need to be done with new clocks or clocks that have recently had the movement taken out for repair. Aligning hammers is not a general maintenance process. Our goal here is to get the hammer centered on and floating slightly off of their respective chime rods. We don't want the hammer touching the rod. That will prevent the rod from resonating, choking out that crisp strike we're looking for. We also don't want the hammers too far off the rods. That could prevent them from striking at all. Bend the hammer wire in whichever direction you need to get it aligned with the appropriate chime rod. Do not push the hammer assembly itself towards the chime rods. Bend only the hammer wire. This is the same process for the strike hammer. Bend the wire, don't push the hammer. It's very important that you don't loosen the collar on the strike hammer assembly either. Continue to make minor adjustments, periodically allowing the hammers to hit the rods to test the sound. Once you get a firm strike that leaves the hammers floating slightly off the chime rods, you have succeeded. You can advance the hands to trigger a full chime. You won't have to do this again unless the movement is removed for repair or you buy a new one. The hammers will stay aligned for as long as your clock is running normally. For all your clock needs, head over to emperorclock.com. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment down below.